What if you could replace all of your expensive AI subscriptions with a single $8 a month platform? I'm putting the most hype new AI tool to the test to see if it can truly replace ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, Grok, and save you a fortune. This is i10X, an all-in-one AI platform that puts every major model into a single workspace. I'm talking about ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, Grok, all without switching the tabs. And the price for this all-access pass? It starts at just $8 a month. Now, i10X did sponsor this video, and when they reached out, I was so intrigued I had to ask them, can we make this deal even better for my audience? And they agreed. So here's the deal they set up just for you. Use the first link in the description to try their free plan. But if you decide to upgrade, make sure you use my code also in the description to get an additional 15% off. Once you're in, this is your dashboard. Just look how many different tools are packed into this one screen. We have AI chat, chat arena, AI image, deep research, PDF and docs, AI video and others. Let's start with the AI chat. On the surface, it works just like your standard ChatGPT style interface where you can ask or demand anything. But the real magic is right here. You can instantly switch between ChatGPT, Gemini, Grok, DeepSeek with a single click. But that brings up the big question. How do you know which model is the best for your task? That's where this tool on the left, Chat Arena, comes in. This lets you pit two models against each other side by side using the exact same prompt. For instance, I write a ton of YouTube scripts for my videos, and this is the perfect way to see which AI actually writes the most effective script. So I will write me an intro script for YouTube tutorial about 5 best keyframe tips in CapCut. And on the left side I will use GPT 5.1, and on the right side I will set it on Claude 4.5 Sonnet. Okay, as you may notice, ChatGPT is working faster, but that doesn't mean it will write a better script. Personally, when I read both scripts, I have to admit Sonnet wrote a much better intro script. So if I have to choose, I would go with Sonnet. So now that I have my video script written, I would also need a thumbnail for that particular video. Normally, I would have to switch over to a completely different tool for that. But here, you don't have to. Image generation is built right in. And the best of all, it has my favorite image generation model, Nano Banana Pro, and of course, you can also choose others like Flux, DALL-E, and so on. So let's test it out. I will start with a straightforward prompt. Create a YouTube thumbnail image with a CapCut logo and a keyframe icon. Include the bold uppercase letters, 5 best tips, and use a reference image for similar style. Resolution 2K, aspect ratio 16:9. And then I will insert a reference image, a thumbnail which I really like, and I got it on DaVinci's YouTube channel, so big shout out to DaVinci, thank you. And then click on Create Image. Okay, that's a pretty solid first result, and if you like it, you can download it here. But what if you want to change something? Just change the prompt. What I'm going to do is I will erase this part and change the text and add, but change the green color to neon blue. And let's see what happens. Yeah, this is so much better. The only thing I don't like is that it kept Filmora logo on the left side, but of course, we can change that with a new prompt if we want. But of course, the i10X can do a lot more. For example, if we want to create a video, we can open AI video, and just like before, we got to choose from some of best AI videos models available. Clink, VO2, VO3, but for this demo, I will go with Sora 2 Pro. Here we can type in our prompt. If you don't have one yet, no problem. Just jump to AI chat and describe your idea. Something like, write me a prompt for an AI video generator about scorpion crawling on the sand in the desert. I will use ChatGPT 5.1, and instantly we get a clean professional prompt ready to use. Copy the prompt, go back to AI video, and again, no need to leave the platform. Everything is built in. I'll select Sora 2 Pro and pass the prompt. I'll leave the duration at 4 seconds, aspect ratio on landscape, resolution on standard, and hit generate video. And just like that, we get a video of crawling scorpion. If you are happy with the result, you can download it here. But just keep in mind, different models are better for different styles of video, so definitely experiment and see which one fits your project best. Now, the feature that really stands out to me is Agent. They're basically pre-made prompts that are already set up for specific jobs. You can build your own if you go over to the left side, click on Agent Builder and create Agent. Then again, you can choose your model, let's say ChatGPT 5. Here you can choose a category like Marketing and CEO. You can give it a name, description, and here is where you put your custom prompt in. Here you actually tell the agent what to do, so next time it will know exactly what to do, so it will be automatic. Or if you don't want to build agent yourself, you can just go here on Discover. Here we have a pre-built agents where you can find the one you're looking for. Some are built by i10x team, the others by community members, and they are extremely powerful. You can go up here to categories. Let's say we choose business. And here we have what is ideal for me, a YouTube title generator. We can just give it a prompt like, I'm making a video about 3 new CapCut AI tools. Hit enter, and just like that we have a YouTube optimized title suggestions like, these 3 new CapCut AI tools will blow your mind, or CapCut just changed everything. Try these AI tools now. That's really amazing what you can do with it. But we have lots of others, like for example, this one will remove background for you. Here we have a watermark remover. If we go to business tab, we also have a Midjourney prompt generator. Down here we have Airbnb listing optimizer, and under the video we have different models of AI video generators, so really lots to choose from. But the coolest part is the chatbots that you can create. You can create one for your business that just reads a web page, like your help section, for all its information. That means customers can chat for help instead of sending emails. It's a huge time saver for any business with a lot of support tickets. And I have to say it again, this and everything else is included for just $8 a month. And that's i10x in a nutshell. Ditch all your other AI tools for a single $8 a month platform. The first link in the description lets you try it out, and the code RC15 saves you an extra 15%. It's that simple. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.